Hey guys, we're gonna be making some carne asada, and some carne asada, homemade tomatillo salsa, pico de gallo, and some guac. So hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, this is gonna be like my first POV video. So we'll see. This is not the right knife. So this is like my first POV video, so I don't really know like the ins and outs to it, but you know, it's just gonna be like a test try. You know, we'll just see how it is. I'll occasionally check my phone to see the preview of my GoPro. Okay. But first off, we're just gonna start out with the probably start out with honestly the carne asada, because I feel like that's like the key in this type of thing. So carne asada needs cilantro. What else do we need? Cilantro, garlic, the chipotle pepper. Okay. We'll probably use like one garlic in general. I think one garlic is enough, to be honest. Just put the garlic elsewhere. Don't clutter my freaking station. I really hope the audio is good, or else I'm gonna be super fucking sad. Like, genuinely sad. Let's see. Need this little bad boy. It's for my marinades. So, first of all, what we kind of need is use this bag as a trash bag. So yeah, so we're just gonna do some mise en place. Nothing too severe. I like a lot of garlic in my marinade, so I'm just gonna like get a little bit more. Yeah, it's good enough. I think this is fine. I was trying to check out my angle from like you see like my camera thing right here. I really enjoy the white noise in a lot of things, so I don't really like it to be quiet. So that's why I had to have like a sounds kind of stupid of me, but I had to have like a Twitch stream on or something on, or else like or else I feel kind of awkward in a sense, you know? Yeah, that was a whole lot of nothing, bro. I've been recently trying to like practice like my my knife cutting skills, because I don't know, cutting with garlic, I feel like I always go super slow, and I never feel like I go like, you know, like chef level. It feels kind of sad, you know. At least these slices are kind of thin, you know? Ish. Thin-ish. I mean, I didn't cut it all the way, but it's all good. Towards the end, I'm kind of always scared to cut the garlic and cut the garlic, or if anything in general, just cutting it at the end. It kind of scares the fuck out of me. I'm not gonna lie with you. So I already know some people are gonna be like some viewers that are like scared as fuck like of how I'm cutting this shit, but I'm sorry, I'm very sorry. You know, yeah, like as of recently, I started cutting some garlic, and I've gotten a little bit better at it, I'd say. But you know, I still have a lot to go, like a lot of more practice to go. I cut myself there. Oops. God damn it. Yeah. There we go. Also, if you guys don't know, I just finished this Momofuku extra spicy chili crunch. This shit is so damn good. Oh, I'm trying to see if it's like... There you go. This is delicious. Like, it's basically like, yeah, it's just like chili oil with, but it has more of like, it's more of a texture thing where it's like, it's a little bit spicy, but not, it's like, I'd say the spice level is on par with probably like hot Cheetos, dude. I'm not gonna lie with you. Like, it stings at first, and then afterwards, like, it's all good. It's like a good flavor of spice. It's not overly spicy. That's what I gotta say. I'm gonna grab. Oh, let's see if I have it still. I haven't whipped the shit out in like a hot minute. Here you go. And cilantro. If we run out of cilantro, it's all good. It's whatever, you know. Oh shit. That was stupid. I didn't cut myself, thank God, but like, that was stupid. Most stupid shit I've ever fucking done. Okay. Let's move on. So this one's already got cilantro, lime juice, lemon juice, orange juice. Okay, fuck it, we don't use orange juice. We don't need that. We got 2 beers, motherfucker. Actually, 1 beer is fine. I'll probably drink a beer right now, but so we'll just do 1 beer. I think, and with like the beer, it'll kind of like, I think it'll just flavor it, I believe. I forgot if beer is a flavoring like substance or if it's like a breaking down type of thing. But I think the lime juice is the one that breaks down stuff, as well as the soy sauce. So we're also going to be using Kikkoman less sodium. But I'll probably add some more salt to it. Doesn't really matter. We'll try it. We'll test. We'll taste it. My kosher salt, because I ran out of my other salt, so it's all good. Let's put that there. Okay, so let's start from the top. So lemon juice, you need like half a cup. This is 1 cup. And by the way, this is like I'm following a recipe from allrecipes.com. But I'm just kind of like eyeballing it as well. Okay, lemon juice done. Lime juice is 1/3 cup, so we'll just try to estimate like kind of less than half. Okay. Let's go. Half cup soy sauce. We'll probably try it out just to see how it tastes afterwards. Put this right here. Soy sauce, garlic's already in, chili powder, okay, chili powder, cumin, paprika, black pepper, and chopped chipotle, so say. Okay. Cumin, paprika, do we even have black pepper left? Fuck, I don't have black pepper anymore. I need to find black pepper. I'll probably slap in a bunch of other shit. I kind of like the deeper flavor of I like chili powder, to be honest. Cayenne powder tastes also really good too. That's what I prefer. I'll try some onion powder. Look at me, like, look at all these fucking, all these seasonings. What am I feeling? No. Okay, this is fine. These are like kind of my personal seasonings. I try to go like based on a recipe, but at the same time I don't, only because like well, I don't it's like having like a guide, you know. You don't always have to follow it, but it's good to have there. Okay, and then this is all free reign, dude. I'm like freeballing this shit. Just like kind of an estimate tablespoon. Oh fuck it, bro. Watch. You know, less seasoning hurts people. More seasoning doesn't, I think, is a good like motto. Paprika is always so fucking good. You can never go wrong with paprika. Chili powder gives it like more of like an, I feel like gives it like more earthy flavor. But I don't like putting too much of it. But the cayenne, the ground red cayenne pepper. Oh, this one's new. Oops. This one. There you go. This one I like to put only a little bit because I don't want it to be overly spicy, if that makes sense. It kind of takes away from the taste of like just the carne asada in general. You know, that's how I feel. Okay, well, my GoPro died, so basically just made this marinade. I'll kind of try to update you guys on like the tomatillo salsa as much as I can, and I'll just show you like kind of the process to make it. So the really good part is that we got the marinade done, so it's gonna be sitting in the fridge right now. It's around like 1 p.m. We're probably gonna start grilling this around maybe 6:37, around there. So yeah, so now I'm gonna be on to making my tomatillo salsa instead. So because the tomatillo salsa needs to rest. I like following the Not Another Cooking Show. That's probably one of my favorite YouTubers to follow recipes from. So yeah, so we're just cooking the tomatillos like on the stove top because well, my oven is full of pots and pans, or full of pans. So, and I haven't used it. Well, it hasn't been, the oven hasn't been used in like about maybe like 2 decades. I'm not gonna lie with you, like maybe like a decade and a half. So yeah, we're just doing this on the stove top, and then we're just gonna put in the food processor. It'll have like a kind of a chunky consistency. So yeah, tune in for that. So after cooking it in the pan, I put in the food processor, and you see it's pretty thick right now. So we're gonna add some cilantro after we kind of condense this down. We might need to water it down. So yeah, I'll show you guys the final results. Maybe it needs a little bit more salt. I don't know. I did put a lot of salt onto the veggies. So all right, so now the tomatillo is finished. So we'll just put
this in the fridge, let like the flavors kind of mix in together. So yeah, and my station is completely fucked. Look at this. Tomatoes there, cilantro there, salt there, lime there, fucking there's a knife there, my bag's there. So I'm gonna clean all this up and then get on to making the pico de gallo, and then I'll make the guacamole. Right now is roughly around 1:44. But this clock is actually ahead by 15 minutes, so like around 1:30. So it's been roughly around, I want to say like a good hour and a half. I've been doing this shit. So yeah, I'll get back to you on this. I just went to wrap it. I forgot to record that part, but it's all good. So yeah, this is the pico de gallo. It looks quite amazing. Looks quite amazing. So it has Roma tomatoes, it has jalapenos, onions, garlic, it has cilantro, jalapeno. I don't know if I fucking said that already, but yeah, some salt, and I don't have pepper, so this is all we get. All right, so I just chopped up, or not chopped up, I just peeled the avocados. I'm gonna put it in here, use my potato masher or the masher, mash it up, make the guac, put my onions. I have cilantro in there as well. I think I still have some jalapenos left as well, which I actually don't know where I put it. Oh, it's right here. So I'll probably put some jalapenos in there, just add a little bit of spice, and then we'll be good. I'll show you guys the final result in a bit. So I finally made the guac. So the guac has, you know, obviously avocados, onions, jalapenos. It has garlic in there. Does it? Huh? Actually, I don't think it has garlic. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll put some garlic in. All right, so we got the guac, and I just put the garlic in. So now I'm finally finished. So yeah, well, I guess it's the first time you guys see my face, like in a hot minute, since the start of this video, I assume. So yeah, we're finished with the garlic, we're finished with the guac, we're finished with the pico, we're finished with the tomatillo salsa, and we're finished with the carne asada marinade. So maybe I'll show you guys what the grilling is all about. It'll probably be a short clip, who knows, but it's primarily going to be with my friends and I. So yeah, see you. Alright, so this is a steak. Really?
Angry Orchard. Good flavors. What?
See, here's the steak. Sorry, this is like really bad. But we're marinating it and we cook it. So this is the steak. I mean the taco. Shit looks lit. We gonna eat. Peace.